The original Airbus A320 first entered service in 1988 with the launch customer, Air France. Nearly 30 years later, in 2016, newer variant, A320neo started its operations with Lufthansa, becoming the first client. The main difference between the A320ceo and A320neo is the new engine models. The major upgrades relative to the CEOs are replacing the IAEV-500 and CFM56-5B models with the PU1100GGM and LEAP-1A series engines, manufactured by Pratt & Whitney and CFM International. What is CEO? C. Current. E. Engine. O. Option. What is Neo? And New. E. Engine. O. Option. CEO. Current engine option are initial engines installed in Airbus A320 aircrafts. Those engines are CFM56-5B, IAEV-500. NEO. New engine option are new engines installed in Airbus A320 aircraft. Those engines are PU1100GGM, LEAP-1A series. Advantages of NEO over CEO. More efficient of fuel, less operating costs, longer range, less noise, bigger engine, high bypass ratio, wing with sharklets, better pressurization system, more comfort,